How do you close the Apple Watch favorites in the dock, right? Or whatever you want to call this. Let me walk you through the way you can set it up and customize your watch in that regard. So let's get started. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So naturally, your Apple Watch can access some the regular apps when you get it inside of the the menu, whatever. But when you are on the watch face, you can swipe up and access some like favorite or dock apps or whatever you want to call it. It's like the widgets here, and those are as well customizable when you hold down on them, right? So you can see that it gets like into the edit mode where it shakes, right? But you can do some things. First of all, you can unpin or pin some of the favorite widgets toward the top, so the order doesn't get changed later. Or you can also click on the minus icon next to it and like remove it from the dock, right? So you don't see the widget anymore. But you can also scroll below and see the other suggestions, which all have the green plus button, so you can add them back or add new ones to your dock. But you can also click on the button for widget suggestions, and you can see some other apps here as well, and you can select those, whatever, right? So that is how you can play with it. On the other hand, if you mean the multitasking panel, which is accessed by double clicking the digital crown, you'll be able to get inside of the recently open apps, and those can be closed by swiping left on it. So I guess it also gets the job done. Depends on what your goal is and what you're trying to achieve with it. So let me know in the comments below what exactly you're going after, and if you were supposed to find it, if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.